S&P 500 found support around 4,200 area. I'm going to be a buyer, but only for short term. Let's find out why. Okay, we can see S&P 500 had a bullish engulfing bar on Friday. Arguable, this is the best area around the 4,200 in a smaller time frame, like 1 minute, 3 minutes. I trade that, but I was out for other business meeting. That's okay. I'm planning to catch it tomorrow. Let me show you how my plan will be to catch it on Monday or Tuesday. So basically what I like to do is see a pullback to around the 268, around this area. You can see loads of interaction around this area. Lots of interaction, which is I like. Interaction means trading volume, so I like that, and I like to use something called a daily pivot. So if you go to IG, our recommended broker, you will see pivot level daily. Friday 4,250 was the area of daily pivot. Now it will change because it moved according to the movement on per day. So this will step up to around this area. I'll check it tomorrow morning. I'll set a limit order here, 4,260-70 area. Stop loss just below here. I will take some profit. Now need to go back up to a time frame to see where the profit target is. You already see I have drawn a blue box area. Also coincide with the monthly pivot, could be a resistance, so it's not really suitable for long-term trade. I will be taking somewhere around here my entry, take some profit around this area. I'll leave a little bit running to here in case it gets to the top channel. If it does, would I look to be a seller? Maybe a double top like this sort of area, maybe. Then I'll look to be a seller. I think this will break, but we shall see near of the time. Very similar on the picture of NASDAQ. You can see Friday we have big buying, so daily bar, so bullish engulfing. If you don't understand that, it means a lot of buying volume on Friday. So drop down to hourly, 14,800 would be another option. I'll pull back to around here. So around this area would be my limit order area, and stop loss probably just below here, and then take profit. But I prefer S&P 500. If I can't trade S&P, I might trade this, but smaller time frame on NASDAQ. Looking across the even the weakest one, the Hang Seng is finding support around the 17,000, but I don't think I will buy it. I think this will break. You know, this looks corrective for a bit. It will break to the upside, maybe under 19,000 area. I will look to be a seller. Definitely, I'll be aggressive looking to be a seller on the Hang Seng. No reason to be bullish for the moment. Is Chinese economy is not doing the greatest yet. It will need some time to recover. Will I look to be a buy around 16,000? Perhaps, yeah, but we shall see around then. Nikkei final one is try to break the channel, is now above, so it could be on my list to trade back up to the monthly pivot area. So keep an eye on that. It could be an option. So let's drop down to hourly and see where is a relevant area that I could be a buyer. Maybe, I mean, you know, multiple area could be a pullback and found support around this 30,800 area, or soft level around the 31,000. We shall see. But because it's Asian time frame, I'm not really active, so I'll probably will have to leave it, but we shall see. But I like to see it stay above around the 30,690 area. So that's all for me. It's top of my list actually. Even though you see my Forex plan, I told you it's difficult to sell the US dollar, but I'm planning to buy the S&P 500 if I continue to see US dollar weakness for a week or two anyway. If you have any questions, drop me a comment. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching. See you guys next time.